Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Unlock the Yelena gadget and gather 3 batteries and a coil. Once done, equip it from inventory into a gadget slot. This makes the gadget accessible in field. You should also assign a hotkey for quick deployment because speed matters in combat and puzzles. Make sure your active character has room for gadget actions. Then open the gadget menu and perform the initial calibration step so the device registers correctly with game controls. Deploy the Yelena on flat ground or on marked interaction nodes. The placement affects range and line of sight. Once placed, activate it with your assigned hotkey and monitor the charge meter. This determines effect strength. You should approach with a character whose abilities synergize because elemental reactions or skill interrupts can amplify gadget output. While it runs, keep an eye on nearby enemies and reposition if needed. Moving too far away can drop the connection, so stay within the effective radius. When the task finishes, retrieve the Yelena to preserve durability and to collect generated rewards or puzzle confirmations. You should check the gadget log for success messages and then salvage or restock materials if needed. If something goes wrong, like no activation or no charge, first recalibrate the gadget in the menu, and if that fails, restart the game session. This often clears sync errors. Finally, keep spare batteries on hand so you can repeat deployments without downtime.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.